Sorry about the delay. I kind of forgot whenever I was debating with aspect and stuff. But here's a tutorial on how to do the list thingy and the playfab thingy. But let's go. First, we're gonna add pun callbacks. Then put using photon.pun. This gives you new override callbacks, and it allows you to access public override void all of these. So what we're gonna do is use on connected to master. Delete the original code, and then we're gonna do public void call string callback. Now we're gonna put if callback equal 1. This basically just is like you can do this callback equal 1. So you could do that instead of having an entirely new string where you can input it. And this just checks if it's equal to 1. And then we're gonna add up here playfab. We're gonna add up here playfab.jensen. We're gonna add up here playfab. Where is it? Share models. Playfab.client models. Then we're gonna do playfab client API dot execute cloud script new execute cloud script request. Then we're gonna do function name equal function. This is our revision name. So we're gonna do function parameter equal new. And then we're just gonna put what we want the string to be or something. So current version equal photon network controller dot instance dot game version. This is just an example. And now my stupid commas aren't working. Oh wait, no, you have to add that. Since this is an example, we could just do this. Then generate playstream event equal true. And then this. Now we're gonna add a new public void on return current version. This just determines the version. This is like how it accesses the cloud scripts, and then this is just the function name. This is just a premiere. This is kind of useless, so I just put that as that. I'm gonna do that, but we're gonna make this and then put execute cloud script request. Then what we're gonna do, this is gonna be our code. So string raw equal playfab simple Jensen dot serialize object request dot function result. Oh wait, no, I got this wrong. Result. Function result. And then var dict. Oh. I said that entirely wrong. Forgive me. Equal PlayFab simple Jensen deserialize object. A minute, let me Control-Z that. It already has that. Okay. This, I'm not sure what this does. This just, I guess, deserializes it from this to, like, actually readable thing. So, we're gonna do if that doesn't equal null, and that try to get value. Since our function name is function, we're gonna put function, and then out object value. You have to add, instead of doing this, you have to do that. Okay, now it works. Now you're gonna do if value dot toString doesn't equal application dot version. You could just set this as whatever. This only gets the value of what you're trying to get. You could just set this as like whatever you want it to find. So I'm just gonna do version since I'm better at auth. Okay, now we're gonna use list to our advantage. So list string. No, we're not gonna do string, we're gonna do gorilla level screen. Since this is a demonstration, I'm gonna be using this. Equal new list gorilla level screen. Sorry about that. For each gorilla level screen, level and no, not in value. We're gonna do game object dot find objects type, and then the type is gonna be gorilla level screen, and then since we now have the gorilla level screens, we're gonna do z dot add level. And then after that, we're going to do for each gorilla level screen, L, and Z. And now that we have that, we're going to do L dot my text equal text, then L dot starting text equal text. You're going to do dot text for this one. Now we're going to get back to up here. Now we're going to do on return current version, and then after that we're going to do private static void on error shared, and then playfab error, and then we're going to just do debug.log error. We're going to go back to here, put this right here, and then for this, 1 minute. Okay, this will just be on error shared. For me, it's game version string on this one, so I have to switch it to that. So yeah, that's how you use cloud scripts with revisions. My function name to F1. I could just change it to F, so that's what I'm gonna do. Or HH, because it's like a little bit better. And then just copy the code I currently have right here. This will be the version or whatever string you're trying to input, and then it will display error if it has an error. Make sure you save it, and then that's how you fully do it, and goodbye.